Hello all, TechGeek311 here with my new series, iPhone 101. This series that I'm going to start covering with iPhone 101 is going to feature all the necessary things that you would have to do when you receive your new iPhone. We're going to start off today's series with the settings, stock app that comes with the phone. When we go into the settings app, you'll automatically see there's going to be a lot of stuff you can do in here and a lot of customization that you can do. At the very top of the screen, you're going to see the airplane mode. This basically takes off your Wi-Fi connection as well as your cellular connection. So if you're traveling on an airplane or traveling somewhere where that would disrupt, that's what you would use airplane mode for. The Wi-Fi on the bottom, if we go there, it's going to show you that I have the Wi-Fi turned on. It's going to show you that I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and you have a little padlock there. That means that this Wi-Fi requires a password. If you have the bottom note which says ask for join networks, this means anytime you're around a Wi-Fi network, it'll automatically pop up that network to ask you if you want to join it. On the bottom, you'll see Bluetooth. When you tap on Bluetooth, this will allow you to connect to any Bluetooth devices you have, whether it be a headset, whether it be speakers, your car, whatever it is. The bottom is a new feature called Do Not Disturb. This feature basically allows you to not get interrupted in the middle of the night or during a meeting from notifications, from alerts. Anything that you don't want to be disrupted about is where you use Do Not Disturb. If I go under notifications on the bottom, you'll see that Do Not Disturb is on the top. We go into Do Not Disturb, you'll see that you can schedule it from whatever time you want. You have allow call from your favorites, which means your favorites will be able to call you. And you have also repeated calls. This means if someone really needs to reach you, the second call from that same person will go through. On the bottom of notifications, they give you two choices, manually and by time. So you can have your notifications appear on your notification center, either however order you want, or by the time that they actually showed up. If you go into any one of these notifications, you'll see underneath the applications it says badges and banners. So if I go in here, let's say to photos, you'll see that I have notification center turned on, that it's going to show 5 of my recent items. It's going to show a banner in the top where the clock is at. There's going to be a badge app icon, sounds. It's going to show here for my photo stream, since we're in photos, that everyone can get an alert or just your contacts. It'll show a preview and it'll allow you to view it in the lock screen. Not all your notifications are going to be the same way. If we go into this one, you'll notice all it has is badge app icon, sounds, and view and lock screen. Getting out of that, we're going to go to the main part of your phone, which is called General. We go into General. This is the main area of your phone that you're going to need to know all about. Starting with About, this is the one you're going to need to know if you want to change the name of your phone, or if you call customer service or they need to ask you some information. Bottom of that, you're going to see Software Update. This is the over-the-air updates for the phone. As you notice, I'm already updated to 6.1.3, so I don't currently need an update. But if you do need an update, it will appear in this screen. Below that, you're going to get Usage. This basically tells you how much storage you have, how much you've been using, tells you your iCloud storage, gives you your battery percentage, you have your usage time, standby time, and it'll give you your cellular time in case you need to track this. Underneath usage, since this is an iPhone 5, it's going to come with Siri. Siri, as you notice, I have it turned on. We have the language set, the voice feedback, your info, and if you want to use the raise to speak feature, you can turn it on or off. Below Siri, you're going to see Cellular. This allows you to turn it on and off your cellular data, enable your LTE, and enable your data roaming. You can also, if you have it set up with your carrier, you can set up your personal hotspot over here. You can also use your cellular data for your iCloud documents, your iTunes, FaceTime, Passbook, and reading list. Underneath Cellular is the VPN, which I don't currently have it, so there's no point in me showing that one to you at this point. But underneath that is the iTunes Wi-Fi sync, so you no longer need to connect your phone to your computer to connect to iTunes. You can do this all wirelessly. Now you have Spotlight Search. This allows you to search for your applications, contacts. You can basically reorder these. Grab the 3 little lines. You can order them wherever you want. You can check them on or off. So if you don't want this, you can check it off and check it on. Your auto lock. This is going to be how long the phone will take till it goes black. You have a passcode lock, which I won't show you that because that requires my passcode to be put in. You have your restrictions. This is for parents. You can enable these on or off for your children. If you don't need any of these things, you can enable them on or off for yourself. Basically, you see it's darked out because I have to enter in my password in order to access these restrictions. Then you have date and time. This allows you to set it automatically, set it manually, or to give you military time. You have your keyboard. This gives you a chance to set up your keyboard preferences, also the amount of keyboards you want, English or Japanese emoji. You can also set in shortcuts. You can add new shortcuts. Then you have international. This allows you to change your languages, change your region, and change your calendar. You have accessibility. This one I currently do not use. It's very complex. There's a lot of little features in there you don't want to mess with. The only main thing that you would use in here is going to be the voiceover, the zoom, and the large text. And then on the very bottom you're going to have reset. This allows you to reset your phone back to factory setting, to erase everything, to reset only your network, reset your keyboard, your home screen layout, or your location and privacy. So that is your general settings for iPhone 101. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button below, and also go ahead and subscribe for my future videos. Thank you very much.